Before you buy a portable espresso maker, there's one thing no product page tells you: most of them can't actually make real espresso unless you already have hot water. But the ones that do, they're total game changers. Today I'm breaking down the 5 best options that actually deliver on their promise. Product number 1, AeroPress Original. Let's start with the AeroPress Original. This gray little cylinder might not look like an espresso machine, but hear me out. At $44.94, it's the most affordable on this list, and honestly, it's been a cult favorite for over a decade. What caught my eye wasn't just the price, but how it combines French press, pour-over, and espresso-style brewing into one manual device. If you want rich, smooth coffee without bitterness while camping or traveling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The AeroPress uses air pressure and microfiltration to extract flavor in under 2 minutes, faster than most drip methods and way less bitter than traditional French presses. It holds 10 ounces, so you can brew a strong single shot or a full cup. And because it's made of BPA-free plastic, it's shatterproof and weighs almost nothing. Over 6,000 people bought it last month alone, and long-term users swear by its consistency. You get full control over grind size, water temp, and brew time, which means you can dial in your perfect cup whether you're in a hotel room or a tent. Now, some people complained about it not being a true espresso machine, and they're right. It doesn't produce crema like a pump-driven machine, and you can't steam milk with it. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something that mimics espresso-style strength and body without needing electricity or capsules, this is as close as it gets manually. It's not for purists who demand thick crema, but for travelers who value flavor and simplicity, it's unbeatable. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, no-fuss brewer that works anywhere with just hot water. Skip this one if you need actual espresso with crema or plan to make lattes on the go. For under $50, it's one of the best values in portable coffee. Product number 2, Outin Nano Space Gray. Now, if the AeroPress's lack of automation bothered you, the Outin Nano in Space Gray takes a completely different approach. Priced at $192.79, this electric portable espresso machine looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie, and it kind of acts like one too. If you want real espresso with crema without access to a kettle or stove, this is the first real solution. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 20 bar pressure, the same as professional machines, it extracts rich, full-bodied shots with thick crema. It comes with 3 2500 mAh batteries that deliver up to 5 hot shots from cold water or over 200 if you preheat your water. That's huge for road trips, RVs, or office use where outlets are scarce. It works with both ground coffee and NS capsules, and the one-button operation means anyone can use it. Plus, it charges via USB-C and even works with car chargers. Over 600 units sold last month shows people are willing to pay for true convenience. Now, some people complained about the small 50 ml water capacity, and they're not wrong. You're limited to single shots unless you refill constantly. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to replace your home machine. It's built for moments when you're miles from civilization and craving a proper espresso. The trade-off in size is worth it for the freedom it gives you. This is perfect for you if you need real espresso on demand during travel, camping, or long drives. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only drink coffee occasionally. At nearly $200, it's an investment, but for espresso lovers on the move, it's unmatched. Product number 3, Outin Nano Forest Green. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for frequent travelers, the Outin Nano in Forest Green. Same price at $192.79, same core tech, but this version has an 80 ml capacity instead of 50 ml. That extra 30 ml might not sound like much, but it means you can pull a double shot or brew 2 singles without refilling. If you want more flexibility without sacrificing portability, this variant solves a real pain point. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Everything from the Space Gray model carries over 20 bar pressure, 200-second heat-up, USB-C charging, and compatibility with ground coffee and capsules. But the larger reservoir gives you more freedom, especially if you're sharing with a partner or just prefer stronger drinks. It's also airline safe for carry-on, so you can take it internationally. Now some people complained about the lack of a milk frother, and yeah, you can't make lattes with this. Here's the thing though, adding a frother would have doubled the size and cost. For a device this compact, focusing on perfect espresso extraction was the right call. If you want milk drinks, pair it with a handheld frother. This is perfect for you if you want the power of the Space Gray model, but need a bit more capacity for doubles or sharing. Skip this one if you only drink single shots, you're paying for space you won't use. Still, for road warriors and digital nomads, this is a smart upgrade. Product number 4, Z-Sage Portable Espresso Maker. Now if the Outin's price tag made you pause, the Z-Sage Portable Espresso Maker at $64.25 offers serious value. It looks similar but costs less than a third of the Outin. What caught my attention was its massive 7500 mAh battery, bigger than most competitors, and its 3-in-1 compatibility with ground coffee, NS capsules, and DG pods. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It heats cold water in about 5 minutes and uses 20 bar pressure for rich extraction. On one charge, it can brew 3-5 cups, and it supports 12V 24V car charging, so you're never stranded. At 700 grams, it's lightweight enough for hiking, and the one-touch operation makes it beginner-friendly. Over 300 sold last month shows it's gaining traction among budget-conscious travelers. Now some people complained about inconsistent heating, occasionally taking longer than advertised or not reaching optimal temp. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's still one of the few machines that actually heats water from cold. Most complaints come from users expecting commercial-grade performance. If you manage expectations, it delivers solid espresso for the cost. This is perfect for you if you want an electric portable espresso maker under $100. Skip this one if you need ultra-fast heat-up or plan to use it daily. It's better suited for occasional travel. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 5, Wacaco Handpresso GR. Finally, if you prefer total control and don't mind manual effort, the Wacaco Handpresso GR at $70.57 is a classic. It's all manual, no battery, no plug, just your hand pressure. What stood out was its sleek black design and compatibility with any ground coffee. If you want authentic espresso flavor with zero reliance on power, this is the purist's choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You add boiling water yourself, then pump the lever to build pressure up to 8 bars for a concentrated shot. It's compact, lightweight, and works with any roast or grind. It's ideal for backpackers who already boil water for meals or tea. Over 300 sold last month proves its enduring appeal among minimalists. Now some people complained about the learning curve. Getting the right grind and pump rhythm takes practice. Here's the thing though, once you master it, it's incredibly reliable and durable. No electronics to fail, no batteries to die. It's built to last decades. This is perfect for you if you're a coffee tinkerer who loves the process. Skip this one if you want push-button convenience. For off-grid adventures, it's hard to beat. So which one should you get? The AeroPress if you want affordability and versatility. The Outin Nano models if you need real espresso with crema on the go. The Z-Sage if you want electric convenience under $100. And the Wacaco Handpresso if you don't mind manual brewing. Each has its place. Pick the one that matches your lifestyle, not just the specs.